Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Passions. On today's video, I am still playing catch up on some of my boxes. So I have my Mint Mongoose that I'm going to open, and I also have my EARFLEEK. So we will start with the Mint Mongoose first. I think she did just go up on these prices, so you guys will know. It used to be $15.99, but I checked on her website and I'm seeing $16.99 now. But I absolutely love her jewelry, and that's still a fabulous price. For $16.99, I'll still continue paying that. You get 3 pieces of jewelry for that price, free shipping, and you get it shipped every month. You can pick your own tone that you want. You could pick silver, gold, or rose gold, and you can also choose ring or no ring. So it's up to you. She always has a theme every month. And also just a little bit of word about her. She is a mom and a woman-owned small business, so I want to give her a shout out for that also, because we all want to support our women and moms out there. So she sends these lovely little cards, and this is the month of October, so of course we are going to go with this theme. And she says, "Hi there, this month's set is inspired by my 2 kiddos, Emma 5 and Emerson 3. And she said, a few months ago, my kiddos started hunting for stars and the moon, day and night. Anytime they were near a window in the car or outside, they were looking up trying to find the glowing gems in the sky. I decided to get them some of those glows in the dark stars that can be stuck on the ceilings. I thought they might be fun bedtime perks each night. Best $10 she ever spent. They love them and the utter joy in seeing their faces from something so small and seemingly simple." Let's go ahead and we'll open it. It comes in this lovely little Mint Mongoose wax seal every month. She does fabulous. I love her packaging on her stuff. So let's see. I'm going to take a moment. Everything comes wrapped. So I'm going to, she sends you a card, a nice little thank you card. And she always sends a piece of candy. And I don't see my candy. Where's my candy? Oh, I remember it was in here. I opened it already and I already gave it to my husband. Never mind. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this, and then I'll have the set ready to show you and save you from watching me unwrap all this little stuff. Okay, so I have the first piece unwrapped, and as you can see, it is this beautiful little stars and moon, just like she described. I'm going to hold it up so you guys can see a good picture of it up close. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. And it does have the moon and stars in it. So I love that she let her children, you know, be her inspiration. I think that's just lovely. And it is adjustable. I have it on the shortest setting right now, just so you guys, so it would pick up in the video, because I'm not sure exactly where the video is cutting off. So I put it on the shorter extension, but it could probably come all the way down here if you want. And the next piece out is this ring, which is adjustable. And I did pick rings. If you don't like rings, you don't have to pick rings. You can just say, no, do not send me rings. But I enjoy rings. And so let's go ahead. Let me lay this on here so hopefully you could see it. I'm hoping it's going to pick up for you. I love a nice ring like that. I will wear this all the time. It looks like just like some circles, I would say. So let me go ahead and put that on. And hopefully you can see. And it is adjustable. And I've had her rings before and they don't turn my finger green, so... Now we have one more item out, and that is a set of earrings. And I will put those up here so you can see them real quick before I actually put them in my ears. There you go. And as you can see, they match the necklace perfect. They have a star right in the middle of them. I will also insert a close-up picture. Oh, I got earrings in. What am I doing? I can't put earrings in that I already had. I think I got these earrings off of Robin from Robin's Closet. It seems like a lifetime ago, we did a collaboration. It was way before all COVID-19 and everything. And I think she ended up sending me, we had a theme of a color collaboration. And I think I had red, and she ended up sending me those earrings. And I just love those earrings. I wear them all the time. They're very lightweight, which is super important to me because my holes have just... you know, lightweight is very important to me. So as you can see, I don't know if this is going to pick up that well against my dark hair, but as you can see, they're just little star earrings. So this is a lovely set. You got the ring, the necklace, and these little earrings. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and get into EARFLEEK. EARFLEEK is an earring subscription, and it's only $3.49. This is fun costume jewelry. I love this subscription. I'll probably never stop getting this one. I mean, $3.49. And when you go on their website, they have a little game. It's called Swipe. And if you like something, you swipe, I forget which way. When you go on the website, you'll see. And if you like something, you swipe it. And if you don't, and then that way, they know they have a large inventory for you to select from, things to send you. And you never know what you're going to get. So I'm excited to see what they sent this month because I always love my earrings. And I remember these. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Okay, let me hold these babies up for you. I remember, I thought these were very, very cute. I'm going to go ahead and put these on so you guys can see. I'll have to take out these and I'll be right back. Try to choose these kind of earrings anyway. So, oh, I really like that. This is going to be one of my favorite sets. Talk about light. Oh, kitty, stop. Don't. Over there scratching my chair. She's locked in the room right now because I have the door shut. She was sleeping on the chair when I started recording, and now she wants out, and she's going to show her little tail feathers to the video. You be good, kitty. You be good. You want to come up here and say hi to people? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on up here. Come say hi to everybody. Come on. Come on. I think she's coming. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Kiki. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on up here. Come on. Come on, Kiki. Come on, Dodge. Come on. Come on, you can make the jump. Come on. Yeah, you can do it. Say hi to everybody. You're showing your butt to them. You got to turn around. Yay, turn around. Actually, this is a he. He doesn't like to be held and touched. He's very, as you see, I don't push him around. He's very, very finicky that way. He was found as a little kitten underneath our car. And we think his mom abandoned him. And he was so small, we brought him in the house and we had to bottle feed him. And now he's a big, big, big kitty. But as you can see, he likes to bite. He doesn't mean any harm, but he just has that tendency. But so I just, you know, I give him love, but I give him love usually like I pet him like this because he likes the nip, even though he doesn't realize. He can hurt when he doesn't do it nice. But I'm glad you come up here. You're on YouTube. You're on the camera. Yes, and you're showing your butt. I wish you'd turn around. All right, I got to let him out of here because he is getting, he'll get claustrophobic on me. He wants out. Yes, he wants out. All right, I hope everyone has a lovely day. And I have a snack box coming up also and a t-shirt. And then I will be all caught up on my videos. Okay, I have rambled on enough in this video. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Yes, yes. Come on. Say goodbye.